So if you'll turn to page 60 in your book with me, we're going to take this review quiz 2-2, and we are going to practice recording these 5 transactions so that hopefully you can get a better grasp on how to do these things. You notice that I've already put my account names on here, and I've already put my debit on the left side of every account and my credit on the right side of every account. My asset accounts, which are cash, office supplies, shop supplies, and equipment, are all increased on the left side and decreased on the right side. My accounts payable and my owner's equity account are both decreased on the debit side and increased on the credit side. So the first transaction, Greg Calloway invested $8,000 in a new business. So when we invest cash into a business, we're increasing our cash. We're also going to increase our capital account. So we're going to add $8,000 to the credit side. Now what you'll notice here is we're going to have a credit for every debit, or a debit for every credit. So if you record the amount on one side of the account as a debit, it's going to be a credit on the other side of the account, and you just have to get the right debit and credit. If we purchase an equipment on account, we're going to increase our equipment because we purchased more. And then we're also going to increase our debt that we owe, because if we owe $50 to JCPenney, and then we charge $50 more, then we're going to increase the amount that we owe to $100. So you notice I have a debit here and a credit here. If we purchase office supplies for cash, $500, we're going to decrease our cash because we spent $500, but we're going to increase our office supplies account. So I put my $500 here. If we purchase shop supplies on account, then we've increased our shop supplies, but we've also increased our liabilities, or our amount of debt. If we paid $600 on equipment purchased in transaction B, then we're going to debit accounts payable, and we're going to credit cash. Okay, so this is how you would record these transactions, and you can check the answers on page 87 in your book, or you can look at your PowerPoint that accompanies this presentation for Chapter 2.